Hello everybody, this is Mark LeBlanc from LeBlanc Tech Services. I am doing a special video series on my way to provide tech support. So I just want to show everybody this is my full-time job. This is what I do. I've been a tech for decades, and I see the same things all the time, the same issues. I got tired of it, decided to start my own company, and that is why I do what I do. Now I have decided to launch the YouTube channel. Instead of reaching thousands of people, I want to reach hundreds of thousands of people. So we are driving to our first appointment of the day. I just wanted to show everybody that this is not just talk. This is what I do on a daily basis. This is my career. This is how I support my family and 6 kids who all live with me. It's unacceptable these days to have an unreliable internet connection, with most people working from home, kids going to school, online. It's just, we can't have it anymore. So my goal is to help everybody with a poor internet connection. So we offer subscription plans. We offer a free assessment. All you have to do is visit the website, and you can reach us at LeBlancTechServices.com. We will work with you, and like I said, the assessment is free. And with the subscription, if we don't have a video on it, we will make one. So your questions become our videos. So I think it's long overdue that something like this was created, so I decided to do it myself. And I am really tired of calling in to get tech support and have it be somebody flipping from a script that's probably not even in the same country and definitely not in the same region. So please subscribe to this channel to help it grow. Tell all your friends, share, whatever you have to do. My goal is 300,000 subscribers in the next 6 months. It is now, wow, with all this quarantine, it's really hard to remember what month it is. It is October. Yes, October. So November, December, January, February, March, April. So by April, we want to have 300,000 subscribers, April 2021. Thank you very much, and have a good day.